Okay, day 28, paused rep pull-ups, paused rep push-ups, and squats. So today was a little bit of a lower effort day. My reps felt really good though, so my recovery is improving and everything felt strong. And for those of you who think you've outgrown the old-fashioned push-up, try doing these with paused reps in perfect form, and I think you will be surprised at how tough they can be. Usually it cuts your push-up reps in half. So I was going to share with you today another bare minimalist approach to training. This is a style of training I'm a big fan of. And while I have a preference for training full body, this style of training is something I've used very successfully in the past, and I'll probably use again in the future. It's just doing a single movement per day. So on day 1 of training, you might do a push exercise for 5 sets. The next day, day 2, you do a pull exercise for 5 sets. On day 3, you do a leg exercise for 5 sets. Then you cycle back to your push exercise, and you just repeat this cycle day after day, and you can take a break when you feel you need it. So this is a classic push-pull leg split. And in my opinion, I think it's one of the most effective and time-efficient methods of training. You can continuously cycle through these 3 movements, push, pull, leg, whatever variation you have used, day after day until you are no longer making progress in those movements. And then you can change to a different exercise or change the variation and continue the cycle trying to make progress. Personally, I like full body because I like to do everything every day, but I understand that there's plenty of you out there who prefer a simpler approach, something that's maybe a little bit more intuitive, and this style of training takes a lot of guesswork out. For instance, on your push day, all you have to do is do 5 hard sets of pushing. On your pull day, 5 hard sets of pulling. On your leg day, 5 hard sets of legs. You don't really have to worry about cycling in variations day to day or having easier workouts here and there. All you have to do is train hard with this very simple structure, and it's very time efficient, highly productive. So there you guys have it. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like the video and subscribe, and I hope you're enjoying the content, and I will see you tomorrow.